Hey there, it's Ian of Austin. I wanted to take you on a tour through one of my listings. This is 3629 Soft Shore Lane in Pflugerville, Texas. Listen, we're on the corner of Serene and Incredible, and you need to see inside this house. But before we walk inside, I want to remind you that this is a 360 video, which means use the YouTube app or Facebook or wherever you're watching this. Take your finger and you can use that to drag around and see what's going on around you, because you don't necessarily want to just listen to me. You want to see what's going on in this house. So let's take a look. I'm going to pause and take my shoes off for a minute, so forgive me there. All right, so starting off, as soon as we get to the left, remember, every time I pause, you can take your finger and look around or move around, and you'll be able to see what's going on in this house. We have an office here, or a flex space. Notice that it has a closet. That's really, really, really important for all of those people that work from home or work remote. We'll go upstairs in a little bit. We have a half bath over to the left. Understairs storage. It's very, very, very important to know that you have space that goes all the way back. So storage is a commodity here in Texas, so it's excellent when we have extra. Over there you've got your garage. It's a 2-car garage. We have your washer. You know, I'm going to show you. We've got the mudroom, and then we have a washer and dryer space, and it's great because we have shelving. I like that. And then you have additional space if you wanted to put a fridge, for example, or you have where you also have your units, and you have room for decoration, place to put your keys. So we're going to walk in the kitchen here real quick, and I have to move a little quicker than normal because it's a 360 video, and so our time is limited here. We have a walk-in pantry. All right, so I'm bringing you in so you can see what the actual size is, and this will help you understand the floor plan. So we've got a very nice 5-burner range, deep sink with a gooseneck. You have microwave. Obviously, the appliances are stainless and they convey with the property. Shoot, anything can convey with the property if we have the right offer come along. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to show you the backyard real quick. The yard is huge. I don't want to step out too far because it was just raining, but you need to be able to see the space that we have here. This is an oversized lot, one of the largest in the neighborhood. So if you have chillins, if you have some children, if you have maybe some animals that you think would enjoy the space, or if you just like having a little bit of separation, then this is a possible yard for you. So now I'm going to run over to the primary suite. And you know what? Before I go over there, I want to pause and say you've got plenty of room that will allow you to put a dining table and still a sofa and not feel crowded. We have a closet over here. We're entering the primary suite. Huge. So I'm standing kind of in the middle of the primary so you can see what side, like how it feels, what it feels like. Should I take my glasses off? It's weird. I've got these, video glasses. I was wearing them when I was driving in. All right, so now we're in the bathroom with your extra large or extra width garden tub, your stand-up shower, and a deep closet. Thoughts? Let me know. Your commode, double vanity, and let's go ahead and run upstairs. I'm going. All right, so a half bath. We've got the office. We're heading upstairs. I'm going to lock this door so I don't have anybody run in while I'm doing this. Okay. All right, starting off, of course I want to showcase the extra loft area because people need a place for, let's say they have kids, let's say they want a second living space, let's say they want an entertaining area. It's nice for that to stay up here. You won't even need a TV downstairs if you don't want. Notice that we have the transom windows, so plenty of light coming into the house. I'm going to show you bedroom number 2. We're going to run over here. We've got this other bathroom, full bath up here. Sorry that the lights are off, but it's a bathroom, and you should come visit, obviously, if you want to see it. I'm coming into the center of the room, so you get a feeling for the size of the space. Don't forget 360 video so you can move around and see what it feels like. And then we're going to go into this last room here. There we are. Beautiful 2-story right near Lake Pflugerville. Low tax rate for the area. That's really important. I don't think a lot of people pay attention to tax rate. And then you also have A golf course really close nearby, shopping center right around the corner, just about everything that you could possibly need within close proximity, and anything beyond that. We're only 20 minutes from Austin downtown. We're about 17 minutes from the Domain. We're not far from the airport. We're not far from Tesla. You should take a look. Let me know if you have any questions. Ian of Austin, 3629 South Shore Lane.